Mike, I've talked to a number of vendors lately who supply systems actually for air traffic management. And so an interesting correlation is that they told me recently that there was about a 10x fold increase in air traffic management as a result of unmanned vehicles, of uncrewed traffic, okay? And so they're looking at ways to optimize efficiency within that. But what that tells me, though, is that there's a very dramatic growth in the next couple of years in drones and eVTOLs and uncrewed vehicles and things like that. Now, how might somebody else out there that has some of those capabilities or some of those products and some of those vehicles utilize the services of Ramco? How might that fit together with somebody like that?
So, Mark, you're absolutely right. There has been a dramatic uptick in the recent years in the whole UAS, eVTOL, drone space. And a lot of these providers are looking for a solution to manage those operations. It's a fairly new industry, and they're looking to basically stay on top with the latest and greatest in technology. So coming to us with our capabilities and our history and other subsegments of the industry, they're very much interested in what we have to offer. So it's been good, a good amount of traction so far that we've gained in that entire space.
Yeah, I know that Ramco has quite a bit of implementations in the helicopter operator space, and I would imagine that the requirements for configuration management, of the helicopters would be very similar to some of the vehicles that we're talking about hitting the market now, isn't it?
Yeah, very similar, especially when it comes to the eVTOLs with the rotary wings and things of that nature. Very similar when it comes to how you manage those configurations. So we've been it's been very seamless for us to be able to, transform our solution to meet those specific needs of the eVTOL and UAS industry.